Harry's Liquor offers the selection and expertise of a full-service liquor store right inside many Price Chopper and Sunfresh locations. Harry's helps Kansas City celebrate the best moments in life. And today, we're teaching you the ins and outs of another classic cocktail, the Long Island Iced Tea. While the true origin of this cocktail is up to much heated debate, its recipe has remained a mainstay since its debut. Equal parts vodka, tequila, white rum, gin, triple sec, and a splash of sour mix makes this drink a boozy hit for summertime. Top it all off with a dash of cola to give the drink its signature iced tea appearance. Garnish with a lemon slice and serve what's sure to please. The Long Island Iced Tea has more than its fair share of new takes on the classic concoction, and here are a few of our favorites. The AMF. While you figure out that name, substitute the triple sec with blue curacao and swap out the cola with lime soda for a tangy and sweet flavor. The Tokyo Iced Tea. For something that's exotic to both the palate and the eyes, this alternative can be created by adding melon liqueur and swapping club soda for your cola. The Texas Tea. Even the simple addition of whiskey can create something new altogether for your cocktail-filled summer. Try other uniquely named versions of the Long Island too, such as the Black Widow, Long Beach, and Georgia Peach. No matter how you choose to shake it, remember to serve your Long Island in a highball glass over ice for a cool, refreshing summertime favorite. How do you like to mix your Long Island? Leave your ideas in the comments below. Cheers!